Okay, so I'll read this one for you again. Do not get used to envy or jealousy. Nothing nice ever. Sorry, again. Do not get used to envy or jealousy. Nothing nice was ever created from a sense of betrayal. If you have a goal, it is to love more, to be whole, and that is all. Dream, dance, embrace differences. Humanity is and will always be. So that is page 26,269. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 3:24 p.m.
15:24. See you in a bit.